Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all will be fine. Today we are going to start our next topic, which is Hero's formula. Friends, in previous classes you learned about how to find out the area of right triangular regions. There are so many methods to find out the area of triangular regions. One of them is Hero's formula. First we will read out our statement. If A, B, C are the lengths of a triangle ABC, then the area of triangle ABC, denoted as a small triangle with hole shading, is given by area of triangle ABC is equal to square root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. As you can see, students, that A, B and C are the lengths of a triangle. What is S? Here S is equal to A plus B plus C over 2. First we will find out the measure of S, then we will use our formula to find out the area of given triangle. Now students, here is our introduction. The formula was deduced by a Greek mathematician, Heron of Alexandria, and is named after him as a Hero's formula. This formula is applied when our lengths of all sides of a triangle are known. If any of length is unknown, we cannot apply this formula to find out the area. So students, let's start our exercise number 9.2. Now students, let's begin our exercise number 9.2. Our question number 1 is, the length of the sides of a triangle are 60 meter, 153 meter and 111 meter. Find the area of the triangle. Students, they are giving us three lengths, so we will use these lengths to find out the area of triangle. Let's begin our solution. Now students, there are three lengths given to us, so we will name them as A is equal to 60 meter, B is equal to 153 meter and C is equal to 111 meter. By Hero's formula, first we will write the formula. Area of triangle is equal to square root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. A, B and C is given to us, but what is S? Firstly we will find out the value of S. Here S is equal to A plus B plus C over 2. First we will find the value of S by putting the value of A, B, C into the formula. By putting values of A, B, C, S is equal to 60 plus 153 plus 111 over 2. Addition of 60, 153 and 111 is equal to 324. Divided by 2, we got S is equal to 162 meter. Now students, here is our Hero's formula. Area of triangle is equal to square root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. We will put the values of S, A, B and C. All the values will write in the square root. So 162 into 162 minus 60, because A is 60 given to us. 162 minus 153 because B is given 153 to us. And 162 minus 111 because C is 111. Now students, 162 will write as it is 162. 162 minus 60 we will write 102. 162 minus 153 we will write 9. 162 minus 111 we will write 51. Students, remember all these numbers must be written within a square root. Students, next we will simply multiply the four numbers and find out the answer. But you are in grade 8, you are not allowed to use calculator in your examination, so we will first find out the factors of all numbers. Now students, here is our phone number 162, 102, 51 and 9. Firstly we will all find out their factors. You all know how to find out the factors. Factors of 162 are 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Factors of 102 are 2 into 3 into 17. And factors of 51 are 3 into 17. Factors of 9 are 3 into 3. Now students, we will put all these factors within a square root. Now students, here is all factors of 162, 102, 9 and 51. We remove the brackets and write all the factors. Now students, we will create the squares of numbers which are within the square root. As you can see, 2 square, 3 square, 3 square, 3 square, 3 square into 17 square, all the numbers having square on them. So the square cancelled with the square root and we got the numbers 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 and into 17. We multiply all these numbers By multiplying, we got the answer, which is 2754 meters square is written as with the answer because the area's unit must be in square form. So area of triangle is equal to 2754 meters square, which is our answer. Students, moving towards our question number 2, find the area of triangles when lengths of the sides are given below. Our second part is 5 cm, 12 cm and 13 cm. Students, they are given us the lengths of triangle, so we will firstly name them. Let A is equal to 5 cm, B is equal to 12 cm and C is equal to 13 cm. Now students, by Hero's formula, you all know the Hero formula. First we will write the formula. Area of triangle ABC is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Firstly we will find out the value of S, so we will use the formula of S. S is equal to A plus B plus C over 2. We put the value of A, B and C. 5 plus 12 plus 13 over 2. Addition of 5, 12 and 13, we got 30 divided by 2. We got S is equal to 15 centimeter. Now students, according to three values S, A, B and C, now we have all these values, so we will write all these values within the formula to conclude our solution. Area of triangle is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Square root 15 into 15 minus 5 into 15 minus 12 into 15 minus 13. Square root 15 will write as it is. 15 minus 5 we got 10. 15 minus 12 we got 3. 15 minus 13 we got 2. Square root of, students, as you can see, the numbers are so small, 15, 10, so we will find their factors without factorization, as the factors of 15 are 3 into 5, factors of 10 are 2 into 5. 3 and 2 will write as it is within the square root. Now students, we will form the square of the numbers. 2 square into 3 square into 5 square, all the squares are written within the square root. Square of numbers cancelled with the square root, so we will got the numbers 2 into 3 into 5. We will multiply the numbers, then our product is 30. So the area of triangle is equal to 30 centimeter square. Students, remember always in geometry questions you must write the unit with the answer of the question. And here is our part 3 of question number 2. Our length given to us is 103 centimeter, 115 centimeter, 13 centimeter. Let name them first. Let A is equal to 103 centimeter, B is equal to 115 centimeter and C is equal to 13 centimeter by Hero's formula. Student, here is our Hero formula. Area of triangle is equal to square root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. But before that, we will find out the value of S by using our formula. S is equal to A plus B plus C over 2. By putting values of A, B and C, 103 plus 115 plus 13 over 2. Addition of 103, 115, 13, we got 231 divided by 2. S is equal to 115.5 centimeter. Students, we have our values of S, A, B and C. So we will put all these values in the formula. Here is the formula. Area of triangle is equal to square root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Square root 115.5 into 115.5 minus 103 into 115.5 minus 115 into 115.5 minus 30. After the subtraction, we got the numbers 115.5 as it is into 12.5 into 0.5 into 102.5. Students, as you can see that all the numbers are of decimal, so we will firstly multiply two numbers. The product will multiply with third number and the product will multiply with the fourth number. So students, here is our working. Firstly, we will multiply 115.5 into 12.5. We got our answer, which is 144.3.75. 144.3.75 into 0.5. We got our answer, which is 721.875. And then we will multiply 721.875 into 102.5. We got our answer, which is 73,992.1875. Now students, within a square root, we will write the answer of our product, which is 73,992.1875. By taking square root, we got our answer, which is 272.02 centimeter square. So the area of triangle is equal to 272.02 centimeter square. Students, here is the working of a square root. Our number is 73,992.1875. First, we will make pair of whole numbers, then of decimal number. We will make pair of whole number from right towards left, and of decimal number we will make pair from left towards right. First, we have 7, 2 2s are 4, 7 minus 4 we got 3. Then we will write 39, the whole pair, down. Then 47 into 7 we got 329, 339 minus 329 we got 10. Then we will write 92 as a whole pair. Then 542 into 2 we got 1084, 1092 minus 1084 we got 8. Then we will write 18, and here we got 544. As you can see, students, that our dividend is smaller than our divisor. As we add one number, then it will become the bigger from the dividend. So we will put 0 in quotient as well as with the number. So we will write again next pair, which is 75. So when we multiply 54401 with 1, we got 54401. Then we will minus 875 minus 54401. We got 27474. Then we will write a pair of zeros. Then 54402 into 5 we got 2720125. By subtraction we got division process is not complete, so we will round off up to 2 decimal places. Our got answer 272.015, approximate equal to 272.02. Friends, here is our question number 3. Find the missing element as required in each of the following with the help of Hero's formula. As you know, students, in Hero's formula we must have 4 elements, S, A, B and C. In these questions they will miss one element. We have to find out the element firstly, then we will use all the elements to find out the area of our triangle ABC. In our part 2, A is equal to 10 meter, B is equal to 8 meter, S is equal to 12 meter, C is missing. So firstly we will find out the value of C, and then we will find out the area of triangle ABC. Let's begin our solution. So students, here is our solution. We know that formula of S is equal to A plus B plus C over 2. Here you can see that we have value of S, A and B. We have to find out the value of C. Now students, 2 is dividing with the A plus B plus C. On other side it will multiply with S. A and B is adding with C. On other hand it will subtract from 2S. Now students, by putting values, 2 as it is, S is equal to 12. So we will write 12 within bracket minus 10 is equal to 10, A is equal to 10, so we will write 10 minus as it is, and B is equal to 8, so we will write 8. 12 2s are 24, minus always plus, but the sign is of minus, as you all know, minus 10 and 8, we will got 18, but the sign is minus. 24 minus 18 is equal to C. So when we subtract 18 from 24, we got 6. So the value of C is equal to 6 meter. Now students, we will write the Hero's formula. Area of triangle is equal to square root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now we will put all the values of S, A, B and C within the formula. Square root of 12 into 12 minus 10 into 12 minus 8 into 12 minus 6, because the 10, 8 and 6 are the values of A, B and C. 12 will write as it is. 12 minus 10 we got 2. 12 minus 8 we got 4, 12 minus 6 we got 6. All the numbers must be written within the square root. So students, we simply multiply all these numbers, so we will get 576 within the square root. By taking square root, we got our answer 24 meter square. Here is the working of square root. Now students, we have fulfilled our both requirements. So C is equal to 6 meter and area of triangle ABC is equal to 24 meter square, which is our answer. Now student, moving towards our part 3. Here A is equal to 3 meter, S is equal to 9.5 meter, C is equal to 9 meter. We have to find out the value of B as well as the area of triangle ABC. Now students, let's begin our solution. Now student, first we will find the value of b by using our formula s is equal to a plus b plus c over 2. Students, 2 is dividing with a plus b plus c. On other hand, it will multiply with s, so we will write 2s is equal to a plus b plus c. You can see students, a and c both are adding with b. On other hand, it will subtract from 2s, so we will write 2s minus a minus c is equal to b. Now by putting values of s, a and c, 2 will write as it is into 9.5 because the value of s is 9.5 minus 3 minus 9. 3 is the value of a and 9 is the value of c. So 9.5 into 2, we got our answer, which is 19. 19 minus always plus. Students, 9 plus 3 12, but the sign is of minus. 19 minus 12, we got 7 is equal to b, so b is equal to 7 centimeter. Now students, here is our hero formula. Area of triangle ABC is equal to square root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. We will put the value of s, a, b and c. Square root of 9.5 into 9.5 minus 3 into 9.5 minus 7 into 9.5 minus 9. When we subtract, the answer is square root 9.5 into 6.5 into 2.5 into 0.5. Students, as you can see, the all numbers are decimal numbers, so we will multiply first two numbers, then the product will multiply with third number, and the product will multiply with fourth number. So student, here is our working. Here is, when we multiply 9.5 into 6.5, we got our answer 61.75. When 61.75 multiply with 2.5, the answer is 154.375. When 154.375 multiply with 0.5, we got our answer, which is 77.1875. Now student, we will write our product within the square root. Square root 77.1875, we got our answer 8.79 meter square. So b is equal to 7 meter and area of triangle ABC is equal to 8.79 meter square. Students, here is our next working of our square root. Our number is 77.1875. So we will firstly make pair of whole number from right towards left and of decimal number from left towards right. First of all, we got 77, so we will multiply 8 with 8. We got 64. By subtraction of 64 from 77, we got 13. Then we will write 18 with 13. 167 into 7, we got 1169. When we subtract 1318 and 1169, we got 14975 as it is written with the number. So we will multiply 1748 with 8, we will got 13984. By subtraction, we got 119. Then we will add a pair of zeros, then 17565 into 5, we got 87825. By subtraction, we got 11275. As you can see students, our square root process is not completed, so we will round off our answer. We got our answer 8.785, approximate equal to 8.79, which is our answer of the question. I hope students you understand all this question very well. Take care.